Hello inflatable fans, I hope you're all well. Today I'm going to do a 3-month review of this, the Aquaglide Cirrus. Looks like a bit of junk today because we've just come back from a paddle with it. But I just wanted to talk about the things that I have done with this boat in the 3 months since I had it. So on my very first outing, we were paddling against a really strong current and it did all right. It's one of those deceptive days where the flow of the water going past you, when you look at it, makes you feel like you're travelling really fast. But then when you look at the bank, you're hardly moving. I've only done a mile in 47 minutes. A mile in 47 minutes, that's slow going. That's how strong the flow is on this river. It was no worse than any of the other crafts. I've carried it on a bike. I've carried a bike on it. All right, I've landed. I've carried it home to the river that's 3/4 of a mile away from me, and then gone out paddling with it and then carried it home. I have literally overloaded this thing with camping gear. If you've seen the video, I had it all chock-a-block at the back there. Well, it's in. Can the Aquaglide Cirrus take a load? Not bad, eh? So that dinky little Aquaglide Cirrus Ultralight 110 has carried all of that here, yeah, about 1.8 miles. I've taken it on a train trip and then on a canal journey in Leeds. Done all right on that too. I've got bloody Klingons on rear. He's strapped.
It's no good unless you've got a...
He's lashed a rope to my boat, so I have to drag the bugger. Lazy sod, just because he's come out in a pool toy.
Well, show off that yours is faster than mine then, shouldn't you?
I've portaged it loads, and because it only weighs 6 kilos, it's an absolute dream for portaging. And of course this is where the lightness of this boat comes in really handy. Heaviest thing in it is the bag at the back. The heaviest thing is the additional gear, that whatever else you carry with you, that's the heaviest aspect when you portage in this boat. Car camping, I've done a 5-day car camping kayaking trip in the Lake District and Scotland, and because this packs down really quite small, it slots into the car lovely, leaves you plenty of space to sleep in, that kind of stuff. That white bag there, that's my kayaking kit bag with all the bits and pieces that I need. That's my safety vest, and that's the kayak. One of the reasons why I wanted that Cirrus kayak was because it takes up so much less room. Performed on every water that we took it on brilliantly. I've had it on really rough water on that particular trip, really bad conditions on lakes, ploughing through big waves and so on. Woo! This is going to be a good one. There goes Rap. Oh hell, wait! Awesome. Woo! 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 Oh, 10 and 10. We've got another. Oh, this is a good one. Woohoo! And it was great fun. It's just so stable, brilliant. And a lot of people think that because this is TPU and lightweight that it's not robust. Oh boy. Oh! I've just crashed. I've crashed. I've hit summit. Micro Island. It's determined to get me. Well, there's a buoy there, so I'm guessing it might be shallow. Yeah, there are some rocks in the water here. Oh, I'm on one. You see that there, look? Yeah, it just rode onto that. But TPU, well, that's what they used to make pack rafts with for whitewater rafting. And this might be a slightly thinner version, but it's still tough. I mean, I've ploughed onto rocks with it on Ullswater, and, you know, there's no marks on it. It's pretty hardcore, actually. And I've even cooked a hot meal in it. Well, I did it and it worked. Hot chickpea curry, prepared on the water in the boat. Approve it. In summary, I'll tell you what, I really love this boat. It's the most versatile craft I've got. The only thing I haven't done with this yet is taking it down whitewater and taking it on the sea. But I'd have no problem on either of those. Grade 1, grade 2 whitewater, and on sort of like pretty good sea conditions. I'd have absolutely no qualms about doing that with this. So I just want to say, really love this boat. Well worth the 1,600 quid I paid for it. One thing I would say that I didn't actually add there is this seat is actually one of the most comfortable kayak seats I've ever come across. Cracking that. That's all for now. Just wanted to do that quick review really. Brilliant little boat. Thank you so much for watching. You know what to do if you like what I'm doing on this channel in terms of blah, yeah, blah. Alright, you take care. Cheerio.